So, what does one do when they're hungry? What does one do when they want Wendy's? But you can't go inside. Go to the drive-thru. We're gonna see how this works out. There we go. Hello?
You want something to get it?
Yeah, I'd like to place an order. Let me get a, let me get a Big Bacon Classic number 4.
Bacon classic, single, double, triple.
A double, but I want just a sandwich.
Just a sandwich, okay, anything else?
Yeah, can I get a,
What?
I want a baked potato with sour cream and chives.
I'm sorry?
A baked potato with sour cream and chives.
Wait, potato. Wait, potato with what?
Sour cream and chives.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, and a medium chocolate frosty.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's it. So just the same.
$11.59. First one, please, thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that it?
All right. Thank you. And that's how you get her done. Know what I'm saying? Got me my bag of frosty. Bag of frosty. Shit, I got my frosty. Bag of goodies is what I meant to say. Now we gotta go park.